Hi friends, I have another unboxing review for magnetic charging cables. USB AC lighting round black cable, and this is USB-C round. You're like me, always have amazing cables around. Okay, let's just see the other one. See? It's magnetic. You will not have a mess when you use these cables. Look at this one. You always struggle to connect it. And this one, you can use it like this, and they're coming back again. And exactly like this. See? And then you can connect it with your phone too. And you don't have a mess. See? Put it back, everything together. Like this. You can use it for the computer too. See? And like I said, you don't make a mess, you see? Coming perfect and straight like this one. With the other cables, you see when you connect it, always is a mess. But with this one, it's different. Friends, if you want to try this, click in the link below, and you can use the code for 10% discount. And thank you so much for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a like. See you in the next video. Enrique 76.